It's got the fix-it guy. I'm going to be doing a flush of my hot water heater. It's just good to do like once a year. And first thing I'll do is take my thermostat, which is set a little bit beyond the normal point. I'm going to bring it down lower. So right now I'm just turning it down because I'm not going to be using the heat. I got my spigot all the way off. I'm going to take off the security cap, put a hose on there. And these are usually plastic threads, so take your time to just make sure it starts easily and doesn't cross thread. You have to try it a few times. So if you say to yourself, well, that went on pretty easy, that means you didn't cross thread it. But if it went on really difficult, I would just start over because you don't want it to strip out the plastic. So I'm just doing this by hand. And I'm going to open up this valve, and then it's going to let a lot of the water that's down here that has sediment, it's going to push it out away from the hot water heater. Open up that valve. We got all that water coming out. Ran it for about 4 or 5 minutes with the house pressure. I'm going to turn off the water supply and just let the gravity take out the remaining amount that's in the tank. So now we got the water shut off, and then the rest is just going to be gravity feed. Nice one. Ooh. Wash our hands now. Yeah. So that's just less volume because it's just due to gravity just taking up 50 gallons. And then once that's trickled down to nothing, then we'll just turn everything back on, and that should get rid of all the sediment. So by pulling this up, you introduce air, and then the water can flow out better. So you got to make sure you, during this process, you bring this one like that, and now it's open. You can hear the air bubbling around in there. About half an hour has gone by and all the water's drained out. So I'm going to open up these valves. I still have this one open and this one open. Let this water come into the unit. Pressure back. Close this one, turn this back up to where it was, a little bit fast. There we go. And we're going to go ahead and close this one here in a second. We hope this video has been helpful to you, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. Thanks for watching.